Let's go to the Shading tab at the top, and select the world. This is how we make the star field background in Blender. Let's create a cylinder. Ctrl+R to create a loop cut. Please use the mouse wheel up to create 2 loop cuts. Let's scale the loop cuts toward the edges, and subdivide. We can remove the top and the bottom faces. We need to go inside, and make the world center to be on the center of the screen. There we go. Let's create a new star field material for the cylinder. We need to make this material transparent. We can add the transparent node for that later. We need alpha blend. After selecting the cylinder, let's press Shift-D to duplicate it and S to scale the new cylinder. Let's click this number button to make the new cylinder's material unique, and assign a new color. Time to add the transparent bsdf and the mix shader nodes. Time to animate the cylinders. Let's hover the mouse on rotation Z and type I as in India to set a keyframe. Let's go to frame 250, change the rotation Z to 359, and set a new keyframe. In Animate tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. Let's animate the second cylinder the same way. I feel the stars are moving too fast. Let's remove the keyframe on 250, and extend the overall frames. "2,000 frames will do." Let's set both cylinders' rotation Z to 359 on frame 2000, and play the animation. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.